Now, children, today let's start with chapter number 5, that is the police and the courts. So, let's study about the success of government depends upon the large extent how well it is able to maintain. वो कितने अच्छे से law and order को maintain कर सकता है. So, judiciary and the police force help the government to maintain law and order. इनका main aim क्या होता है? To check crime को check कर. Role of the police is an important part of the administration, right? So, traditional function of police includes enforcement of law, maintenance of law and order, investigation on crimes, arrest and detention, and by this coming independence and development democracy, the whole concept जो है पुलिस का वो function करता है has greatly changed. Right now, you can see that it is to be noticed that two police can perform all this function effectively only if the public cooperates. भाई अगर आप जैसे लोग public cooperate करेगी तब तो पुलिस काम कर पाएगी, right? So, police also should have sympathetic attitude towards weaker section of society. Police must register FIR. देखो बहुत cases में क्या होता है कि वो FIR ही नहीं लिखते हैं. What is FIR? It is first information report. So, it is the information recorded by the police officer on duty given either by the aggrieved person or any other person. Right? The police start is investigate. जब ही पुलिस अपनी investigation start करते हैं जब FIR हो जाती है. That is first information report. It should mention name and address of the informant, time, date, place of discovery, true facts of the incident, names and description of the person. और जो informant होता है, it has right to verify that information, right? And information must sign FIR and take a copy, which the police must supply free of cost. आपको बिना किसी पैसे के दी. Filling FIR, मतलब you have to go to police station, you have to meet the officer in charge, narrate every information relating to commission step by step or orderly sequence to the officer. और वो सब आपको note down करके होते थे. The official said reduce the information given in writing. The information given shall be signed by the person. Information should have entered a book to be kept by the officers. A copy आपको लेनी है. Next, refusal to a file in FIR. अगर कोई आपसे मना कर रहा है कि नहीं हम आपके FIR फाइल नहीं करेंगे, it is very important document and the police start investigation of the case only after FIR. So send a report in writing by post to a superintendent. SP को आप भेज सकते हो. Also make complaint to the State Human Rights Commission, right, or National Human Rights Commission if the police does not register your case. अगर पुलिस आपका किसी भी तरीके का कोई केस रजिस्टर नहीं करते तो आप SP के पास भी जा सकते हो. And Supreme Court directives. The Supreme Court has held the police cannot refuse to. Supreme Court क्या कहता है कि पुलिस मना नहीं कर सकती FIR के लिए, right? So complaint received in New Delhi, Feb 22. In fact, a bench of judges H.K. Seema and R.K. Lakshman, citing his ruling, has specified that genuineness or otherwise of the information can also be considered after registration. So we can say that the bench questioning a earlier decision said that it is mandatory for a police officer to register a case or complaint if it is not the capacity of the police at the stage of registration of the crime case offense. Police officer cannot consider an inquiry or information bearing. Now, police department officer in the district. So we have district deputy commissioner DC, which is known as collector, right? Its work is to maintain law and order in the district and collection of land rent. Composition देखो आपको क्या है, एक तो SP होते हैं और DSP होते हैं, right? Then we have inspector, sub inspector, assistant sub inspector, head constable, constable, चौकीदार, jailer and deputy jail. Now role of the police in investigating a crime. क्या role होता है? Record statement of witness, collect different kinds of evidence, forms an opinion, think to collect evidence points and guilt, and they file charge sheet. वो charge sheet भी file करते हैं. Now role of public processor. A crime committed against the individual, also crime against the general public. And जो public prosecutor होता है ना वो क्या represent करता है? Interest of the state. So after the investigation, it is completed, the case is filed in the court. एंड द रोल ऑफ पब्लिक प्रोसेसर क्या होता है? जो पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर होता है उसका काम शुरू हो जाता है. एंड द पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर प्ले नो रोल इन इन्वेस्टिगेशन क्राइम, राइट? नाउ रोल ऑफ जज. जज इज अ पर्सन इन अ कोर्ट हु हैज अथॉरिटी टू डिसाइड हाउ क्रिमिनल शुड बी पनिश. और वो लीगल डिसीजन लेता है, ठीक है, कैसे इसको पनिश करना है. एंड द जजेस हियर ऑल द विटनेस एंड ऑब्जर्व अदर एविडेंस प्रेजेंटेड एंड ही डिसाइड्स वेदर अक्यूज्ड पर्सन इज गिल्टी और innocent. If it is accused, it is convicted and the judge pronounces a sentence if he or may send the person to jail or impose fine to jail. right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.